Another method you can utilize to find additional keywords for your website is using Google's auto suggest feature. So Google has this feature, you've probably seen it before. You've gone onto Google and you've typed in a word like, let's say cake, because you all love cake, right? And then Google has suggested similar searches to do with cake. So you've got cake box, cake recipe, cake stand, cake toppers, cake tins, and so on and so on. So these are all things people have searched for in the past. So we can actually utilize this suggestion box for our own keywords to find additional keywords we didn't initially think of. So if I go to our website and see one of the pages, so services, hardwood is the top page. So I'll just go with this one as an example. The keyword is obviously hardwood flooring installation. I don't want to copy and paste that keyword onto Google because then it will give me no suggestions. I want to literally start typing it word by word. So if I type in hardwood, I've got flooring, timber, plywood. So I want to type a bit more. That's not enough. So we can see now we're getting some relevant searches. We're getting hardwood floorboards, which is a pretty good one. I didn't initially think of that in initial stages. And to be fair, it didn't actually come up in any of our other keyword researches. So again, we've already found a good keyword. So make a note of this keyword and add it to the spreadsheet. We can continue to type now to find additional keywords. I've got hardwood flooring. I've got near me. I've got underlay, which could potentially be a good keyword. Installation is obviously one we know about. Let's keep on typing. We've got cost, which is one we already know about. We've got tips, we've got price, we've got a video. So people want to see videos about it. Potentially we can make a video for our site and satisfy that user. Keep on typing. We can see again, same ones. If I type in Richmond, keep on typing. I've got best hardwood floor installers. So again, that's another keyword. I've got hardwood floor installers. Again, a different variation of installation. So you want to rinse and repeat this for all of your services. So again, if I do carpet installation, if I type in service, even a different variation, you can always type whatever you want. I'll show you a different idea as well. So if I typed in carpet installation service as a different example, you can also scroll down to the bottom of the page and see searches related to carpet installation service. This is where Google puts down additional keywords which it believes are relevant. So again, I've got carpet fitting cost. That's another keyword. I've got carpet fitters. Again, a different variation of installation is fitters, different word. I've got carpet fitters near me. Carpet fitting cost calculator. So people want to know how much it costs to get the carpet fitted. So potentially you could add a calculator on your site saying, hey, for every meter you have in your house, it's going to cost you X amount. So you can get tons and tons of ideas. So it's all about doing this rinse and repeating for all of your keywords. The keywords you do find that are really good, just simply go ahead and add them to your spreadsheet and include them as part of your SEO campaign.